Welcome to my under the stairs. So I promised you a video of behind the scenes looking at my mats and my mat storage. And so this is my very messy, very cabley, chaotic but organised mat storage, which is under my stairs. And here you will see this is my full size mats. So here are my full-size mats. These are the ones that I use when I am teaching. To be honest, I use them the most of the time. So even if I'm teaching younger children, I generally prefer to use the bigger ones. And so these are my full-size mats. I have Yoga Matters sticky mats. I have 33 of them. I have these IKEA bags here. These, I think they're like laundry bags or something like that, but again I like them because I like that they're clear and I can see what's inside, although I would already know what's inside. But here are my full-size yoga mats, and in each one I've got 11 mats, so I have 33 mats in total. And so this works for me, having 33 mats, because generally I'll teach full classes, and so 30 children in each class and then 2 spare. And the 2 spare mats is really useful. Firstly, if any adults want to join in, then they can, and there's no problem there. And secondly, so I've got a spare mat in case I need to move anybody, in case there's any issues involving children being able to access the lesson, or involving children being distracted or feeling uncomfortable or unsafe where they are. So 33 mats works perfectly for me, and the way that I organise them is to always keep them in their bag. And so I roll them up and I put them inside their bags, and you might be able to see through the bag that I have a little system. And my little system is to put them alternately, a blue one, then a green one, and a blue one, then a green one, then a blue one, and a green one inside the bag. And that's just the system that I have. And the reason I have that system is it helps me when I'm setting up. Having them alternate like that means that I find it quicker and easier to set up the room, because I can quickly count them. I don't know why, I just find it quicker to count them when they're alternate colours. That's my system. I'm not going to defend it anymore. That's my system. So yeah, 3 bags with 11 yoga mats in, and this is my trolley and also my very nice drain. This is the most random video. So this is my drain, and this is my flatbed trolley. So it's just a flatbed trolley. I hook some little cables on there. I put my 3 bags on the trolley, and then I pull the hooks around, and then it keeps them all interlinked like that. And so yeah, they're just simply rolled up. I get the children to roll them up, and we put 11 in each bag, and then I bring them home in my car, and then I store them in my cupboard until the next time I need to use them. And yeah, that works for me. That's my organisational technique for my large mats. I know what I have. I know how to find them. So that's my organisation for those. I also do have some smaller mats, and I keep these inside an IKEA bag, which is in a drawer in my hallway. So I'm very lucky that we have these drawers under our stairs, and this is one IKEA bag, and underneath the IKEA bag there is another IKEA bag, and I actually have 33, yeah, I still have 33 mats. So in one of the bags there's 16, and in one of the bags there's 17. And the way that I organise them there is by I fold them rather than rolling them. So I lay the mats on top of each other, and then I fold them in, and then I fold them in again, and then I put them inside the bag. And that's how it works. And I fold them in sets of 8. So I put 8 mats on top of each other. Or do I do 4 and 4? No, I do 4, and then I fold them, and then I do another 4, and then I fold them, and then I put them in the bag all together. So That's how it works for me. So this is my yoga mat bag and storage organization. That's how it works for me. So I would love to know, how does it work for you? What sort of mats do you use? What sort of bags do you use? How do you store them? Does it work for you? This is I've been doing this for a really long time, trying different trial and errors, and I used to use these kind of bags for my bigger size mats, but then what happened was that I needed more of those bags. I think I had four. Yeah, I think I had four lots of bags when I used these ones, and when I used the clearer ones, I only used three, and I don't know why, but I like that. And so that's behind the scenes for my mats. So I hope you found this video series interesting, useful, or not. That's totally cool too. If there's anything else that you'd like to see behind the scenes in my business, then let me know in the comments. Maybe you'd like to see how I organise my computer files, or maybe you'd like, I can't think of anything else that I really organise really. There's my cards, there's my props, and there's my mats. My blankets and my blocks are just in bags, and that's it really. And so that's organisation in my business, and I hope that you found it useful, helpful, interesting. I hope that it helped you to see that things don't need to be perfect. Things don't need to look a certain way for them to be functional and for them to be practical and for them to work. It doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to work for you. And so how are things in your business? How's the organisation going for you? Is there anything that you would like help with? If there is, then you could book a mentor meeting with me, and I'm very happy to help talk through some, maybe find some solutions for you. If that's something that you'd like help with, then let me know. Okay, thanks for watching my organisation series, and by now my the Wellbeing Journey training will have launched, and so if you're interested in becoming a children's wellbeing practitioner and being part of the Wellbeing Adventurers practitioners community and receiving the Wellbeing Adventurers toolkit, and if that is something that you'd like to be involved with, then check out the training links that will be included in the video comments. So thanks for watching.